हमारा सांसारिक जीवन एक ना एक दिन खत्म होगा ही, लेकिन हमें स्मरण रखना चाहिए कि हमारी देह एक मशाल है जो निरंतर संसार को, समाज को आलोकित कर उसका मार्गदर्शन कर सकती है। यानी हमारा यह जीवन निष्प्रयोजन नहीं होना चाहिए। समाज के लिए हमें एक कर्मठ एवं ओजस्वी जीवन का अभिलाषी होना चाहिए। हमें असहाय निर्बलों का संबल बनना चाहिए। हमारा संपूर्ण सांसारिक जीवन इसी उत्तम लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति में व्यतीत होना चाहिए कि हम इस संसार से जाएं तो लोग हमें स्मरण कर सकें। हमारे जीवन का लक्ष्य सद्मार्ग है और सत्कर्म हमारी देह के माध्यम से ही हो सकता है। यह हमारे कार्यों को अपनी देह के संचालन हम हमारे कार्यों को अपनी देह के संचालन के द्वारा ही तो संपादित करते हैं, लेकिन ठीक करते हैं। यदि हमारे कार्य इतने संकीर्ण हों, लेकिन केवल अपने स्वार्थी पूर्ति के लिए हों, तो फिर देह हमारे घर में चल रहे एक दीपक की तरह ही होगी, जिसके प्रकाश का लाभ केवल हमें ही मिलेगा। किंतु यदि हम लोकहित के कार्यों में संलग्न है तो समझिए कि हमारी देह एक मशाल की तरह है, जिसकी रोशनी से दूसरे न केवल प्रभावित हैं बल्कि प्रेरित भी हैं। मशाल में वह ताकत है कि दूसरों में उत्साह भरकर अन्य मशालों को आमंत्रित कर सकती है और अन्याय उत्पीड़न रूढ़ि अंधकार में विरोध का, आज़ादी का, नए परिवर्तन का प्रकाश फैला सकती है। उपर्युक्त गद्यांश का आशय अपने शब्दों में लिखिए। जीवन निष्प्रयोजन नहीं होना चाहिए, से क्या अभिप्राय है? गद्यांश की रेखांकित अंशों की व्याख्या अपने शब्दों में करिए। नैतिकता हमारे लिए सामाजिक मापदंड उपलब्ध कराती है, मापदंड उपस्थित करती है, क्योंकि यह उचित है और अनुचित का ज्ञान कराती है। नैतिक नियमों में चरित्र निर्माण की महत्ता पर जोर दिया जाता है और उन्हें मानने वाले कर्तव्य की भावना से प्रेरित होकर व्यवहार करते हैं। नैतिकता महज इसलिए नहीं मानी जाती कि पूर्वज भी ऐसा मानते आए हैं, बल्कि वह इसलिए मानी जाती है क्योंकि इसमें पीछे न्याय, पवित्रता, औचित्य एवं दृढ़ता होती है। नैतिकता आत्मचेतना से प्रेरित होती है, रूढ़ियाँ तो तर्कपूर्ण नहीं होती, किंतु नैतिकता रूढ़ियाँ एवं जन रीतियों की उपेक्षा स्थायित्व लिए रहती है। नैतिकता का एक और अर्थ हो सकता है जिसका संबंध एक समूह विशिष्ट से होता है, जैसे डॉक्टरों की नैतिकता, प्राध्यापकों की नैतिकता आदि। यह आचार शास्त्र के निकट है। धर्म अक्सर नैतिक सिद्धांतों का समर्थन करता है। नैतिक सिद्धांतों का परिपालन धर्म के भय के कारण होता है, किंतु बहुत से नीति नियमों की उत्पत्ति धर्म से बतलाई गई है। भारत में धर्म, पुनर्जन्म एवं स्वर्ग नरक की अवधारणाएं धर्म द्वारा प्रतिपादित हैं। यह अवधारणा सुव्यवस्थित सामाजिक व्यवस्था बनाए रखने में सहायक होती हैं। यदि व्यक्ति नैतिकता का पालन नहीं करता है तो उसको अपराधी माना जाता है, जबकि धर्म का पालन करने पर वह पाप का भागी बनता है। आवश्यक नहीं कि सभी प्रकार के नैतिक व्यवहारों की प्रकृति धार्मिक हो। उपयुक्त गद्यांश के आधार पर प्रश्न का उत्तर दीजिए। गद्यांश का उचित शीर्षक कीजिए। धर्म एवं नैतिकता का संबंध स्पष्ट कीजिए। गद्यांश का संक्षेपण लगभग 1 तिहाई शब्दों में कीजिए। क्वेश्चन 3, जिला कलेक्टर की ओर से मंडल आयुक्त को एक पत्र लिखिए। इस पत्र में राज्य सरकार द्वारा घोषित स्वच्छता सप्ताह के दौरान जिले में किए गए विविध कार्यों का वर्णन हो। मंडल आयुक्त को लिखना है। और जिला शिक्षा अधिकारी की ओर से एक आदेश जारी कीजिए जिसमें श्री राम सिंह व्याख्याता गणित उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय का नगर को उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय खा नगर में तत्काल प्रभाव से 2 माह की प्रतिनियुक्ति हेतु आदेशित किया गया हो। निम्नलिखित शब्दों में विलोम शब्द मृषण, त्याज्य, उद्धत, गेय, पाश्च्य, प्रखर, भ्रष्ट, संघस्तन, अभिज्ञ, अनिवार्य। निम्नलिखित शब्दों में उपयुक्त उपसर्गों का निर्देश दीजिए। पर्यटन, प्रतीक्षा, अन्वेषण, निरूपण, अध्यक्ष और ये बताइए प्रत्यय, वैष्णव, ग्रामीण, वाणिज्य, गड़रिया, कौंतेय। निम्नलिखित वाक्य एवं पदबंधों के लिए एक शब्द चुनिए। अनिश्चित जीविका, बच्चों से लेकर बूढ़ों तक, 4 अंगों वाली सेना, पेट की आग, दूसरों के दोष निकालने की जिसकी प्रवृत्ति हो। निम्नलिखित वाक्यों को सिद्ध कीजिए। जीवन और साहित्य का घोर संबंध है। इतने में हल्की सी हवा का झोंका आया। जंगली फल और झरनों का पानी पीकर हम आगे बढ़े। सीता ने माला गूंथ ली। उसने अपने पाँव से जूता निकाला। निम्नलिखित शब्दों के वर्तनी शुद्ध कीजिए। वाल्मीकि, अंताक्षरी, ग्रहित, हस्त, पुष्ट, धुरंधर। निम्नलिखित मुहावरे कब्जों का अर्थ बताइए। बिल्ली के गले में घंटी बांधना, कुएं में भांग डाल पड़ना, उड़ती चिड़िया के पंख गिरना, बहती गंगा में हाथ धोना, 1.5 चावल की खिचड़ी पकाना, दमड़ी की हाड़ी गई, कुत्ते की जात पहचानी गई, नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, थोता चना बाजे खाना, छुछुंदर के सिर में चमेली का तेल, जहाँ देखे तवा परात वहीं गुजारे सारी रात। ऐसे रोल ऑफ लिटरेचर एंड कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग, द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ओल्ड पीपल्स इन मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज, मीनिंग ऑफ G20 लीडरशिप फॉर इंडिया, स्पेस साइंस एंड इंडिया, न्यू पॉसिबिलिटीज इन द एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर, ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड कोटन इंडस्ट्रीज, द इफेक्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस इन श्रीलंका ऑन द होल वर्ल्ड, मेल्टिंग ग्लेशियर्स डेंजर फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग, PM अन्नदाता आय संरक्षण अभियान। GS पेपर 1, गिव एन अकाउंट ऑफ द वैदिक लिटरेचर, राइट अ नोट ऑन द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सर सैयद अहमद खान इन मॉडर्न एजुकेशन, डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ सरदार पटेल इन द यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडिया आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, What kind of hindrances do religious regionalism create in the development of India? Unemployment is the only cause for the prevalent poverty in India. Comment. Do you agree with the statement that crime against women in India is increasing? Oceans are the storehouse of resources. Write a note, short note. Soil profile plays an important role in agriculture. Do you agree? Throw light on the Rohingya refugee in South Asia. Write a short note on 9 number channel and its strategic importance. Describe the architectural features of the temple of Nagar style. Underline ideological dimensions of the uprisings of 1857. Evaluate the role of Bismarck in the unification of Germany. How did Indian culture affect the world during Corona pandemic period? Evaluate the role of women organization and women empowerment. The process of urbanization leads to development or devastation in the society. Write your views. Discuss the causes and consequences of internal human migration in India. Discuss the relationship between El Nino and southeast monsoon in India and its impact on agriculture. Write a short notes on the temperate cyclone, how it impacts India. Discuss India's mineral development policy. Paper 2. Why the preamble is called the philosophy of the Indian Constitution. Why the 42nd Amendment is called the revision of the Indian Constitution. Mention 3 demerits of the judicial activism. How the power of governor to pardon is different from the power of president under Article 72 of the Indian Constitution. Transparency and accountability are complementary to each other. Comment. Write an analytical note on the self-help group's composition and their functions. The application of information and communication technology is for delivering government service. Discuss. Application of information and communication technology is for delivering government services. The failure of SARC forced India to strengthen BIMSTEC. Explain. Explain the rationale behind India's involvement in Quad. What is the significance of India's presidency in G20? Discuss. Critically examine the increasing powers and role of Prime Minister. Critically examine the increasing powers and role of Prime Minister. How does it impact other institutions? How does the federal structures in India accommodates the diverse needs and aspirations of different states? How are there any challenges? If yes, then how are they addressed? How does the federal structure in India accommodates the diverse needs and aspirations of different states? Challenges or solutions. What alternate mechanisms of dispute resolution have emerged in recent years? How far have they been effective? Describe the lawmaking process in the Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh. Clarify the role of civil servants in strengthening the democratic process in India. Discuss the various aspects relating to the management of health services in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Discuss the various aspects relating to the management of health services in the state of Uttar Pradesh. What is citizens' charter? What is its role in the welfare of citizens? India is ready for the world leadership. Analyze this comment. How is Indian diaspora has emerged as an asset in the protection of national interests in America? Analyze it. India-Pak relations are illusion at present. Discuss the inherent problems that bitters India-Pak relationship repeatedly. Paper 3. Evaluate the policies of the Government of India regarding the promotion of food processing and related industries. Explain the implications of using e-technology to help the farmers. What are the important challenges faced in the implementation of land reforms in India? Give your suggestions to remove these challenges. Explain the budget making process of the government of India. Also explain the difference between planned expenditure and non-planned expenditure. Infrastructure plays an important role in the economic development of a country. Discuss. What is a blood moon? When does it happen? What are the key objectives of India's moon mission program? Chandrayaan 3. Cyber crimes are a big threat to national security. How can a country be protected from these crimes? How can India's security forces be strengthened? Give your suggestions. What is India's stance on the issue of nuclear proliferation? Explain. State the important objective of India Ayog. How are the principles and functions of Niti Aayog different from those of the Planning Commission? Comment. Explain the concept of inclusive growth. What are the issues and challenges with inclusive growth in India? Explain. Describe the various efforts being made in India to achieve the sustainable development goals. Despite various measures to address food security, major challenges remain. Explain with reference to India. Public distribution system has proved to be the most effective instrument of government policy over the years in stabilizing prices and making food available to consumers at affordable prices. Explain the statement. What steps are being taken to meet the continuously increasing demand of energy resources in India? Discuss the special reference to renewable and sustainable energy resources. What are the India's main achievements in biotechnology? How will these help in the upliftment of poorer sections of society? Distinguish between the natural and the man-made disasters. Also elucidate the effectiveness of the disaster management system in India. Money laundering poses a serious threat to a country's economic sovereignty. Information and communication technology have made it more challenging. Explain. What positive and negative challenges occurred due to the media revolution in India and around the world? Explain the role of media in national and international security. Paper 4. What do you understand by moral insight? How does it help in moral situation of civil servant? Examine the relevance of the following in the context of the civil service. Spirit of service, courage of firm conviction. A child learns values by what he observes around him. Discuss the role of family and society in the formation of values in the light of this statement. In the era of globalization, international ethics is the need of hour for ensuring peace and stability among the nations. Explain critically. Concealment of information impedes public access and involvement. In the light of this statement, discuss the importance of information sharing and transparency in government. Describe various components of attitude and discuss factors that influence attitude formation. Discuss many two important attributes which you consider important for public servant. Justify your answer. How can liberality and objectivity fostered among civil servants? Give your suggestions. Explain the role of emotional intelligence for good governance and administration. What is the role of social influence in public administration? Elucidate with example. What do you understand by ethical governance? Elucidate with example. While formulating public policy, a civil servant must safely focus on the public welfare, and while implementing those policies, he must have a foresight to infer possible unexpected consequences. Do you agree with this statement? Give argument and justification for your answer. Can Bhagavad Gita be an ethical guide for civil servants? Comment. What is meant by human action in ethics? Discuss the determinants and consequences of ethics in human action. Rajiv is an idealist. He believes that service to humanity is service to God. One day he was going for an interview for an intergovernment job. He saw a severely injured person lying on the road who was asking for help. No one came forward to help. Rajiv took the injured person to the hospital and saved his life. But due to this reason, he lost the opportunity to get a government job. Comment on Rajiv's decision in the light of our circumstance. What are the major principles of public life? Discuss with suitable examples. Nowadays, social media is used to influence public opinion, either in positive or in negative way. Bring a civil servant who, how will you solve this issue? Integrity without knowledge is weak and useless, but knowledge without integrity is dangerous and terrible. What do you understand by this statement? Non-performance of duty by public servant is a type of corruption. Do you agree with this statement? Explain ideologically. Explain logically. Describe the strategies that civil servant can employ to overcome resistance to change the effectively persuade stakeholders to support new policies and initiatives. Paper 5. Critically examine the process of appointment of the Advocate General and his functions in the Uttar Pradesh. Discuss the nature of regional parties in Uttar Pradesh through light on their importance in the politics of the state. Describe the major stages in the formulation of Gram Panchayat Development Plan in Uttar Pradesh. Describe the major stages in the formulation of a Gram Panchayat Development Plan in Uttar Pradesh. Highlight the greater possibilities of tourism in Uttar Pradesh. Explain the security challenge in the border areas of Uttar Pradesh. Discuss the architectural features of the monuments of Agra. Identify the sites related to Harappan civilization in Uttar Pradesh. Discuss the role of Uttar Pradesh during the non-cooperation movement. What are the key objectives of Uttar Pradesh Data Center Policy 2021? Discuss how much has the Operation Kayakalp been significant in the effort of converting the primary and the upper primary school into model schools? Analyze. Discuss the various stages of land reforms in Uttar Pradesh, how landless agricultural laborers were benefited from the land reforms. Examine the role of Chief Secretary in the administration of Uttar Pradesh. Throw light on the e-district project of Uttar Pradesh government. It is a good initiative in the direction of e-governance in the Uttar Pradesh. Examine how do caste hierarchies and upper structure affect access to resources and opportunities in rural Uttar Pradesh? Discuss. Describe the role of Uttar Pradesh Police Special Task Force in the prevention of the organized crimes. Analyze the achievements of Baba Ramdev as a peasant leader. Throw light on the contributions of the warriors of Uttar Pradesh in the freedom fight struggle of 1857. Uttar Pradesh has an important place in the propagation of Buddhism. Explained. Discuss the nature and objective of the first Ayush University established in Uttar Pradesh. Examine state government's efforts, initiatives, and policy directions in the medical and healthcare sphere with reference to Uttar Pradesh Health Policy 2018. Paper 6. How does the Uttar Pradesh Agriculture Export Policy 2019 strengthen the agriculture export activities in the state? What are the key features of the Uttar Pradesh Defence Industrial Corridor? What are the key features of significance of the Lower Ganga Canal system in Uttar Pradesh? What is the skill development scheme under One District One Program, One Product Program of the government of Uttar Pradesh? What are the major schemes for empowerment and welfare of the Divyangjan in Uttar Pradesh? What are the major benefits of the Purvanchal Expressway project? What are the main features of the Uttar Pradesh Millets Revival Program? Mention the major problems and challenges associated with the utilization of the government groundwater in Uttar Pradesh. What are the major guidelines of Uttar Pradesh government with reference to the plastic waste management? What is the Vision Plan 2030 of government of Uttar Pradesh with reference to the terrestrial ecosystem in the state? What provisions has been made in the budget of Uttar Pradesh for 2023 to improve its infrastructure? What recent initiatives has the government of Uttar Pradesh undertaken to drive the investment in the state? What are the key initiatives and strategies undertaken by the government of Uttar Pradesh to promote social forestry in the state? Discuss the major facilities offered by the government of Uttar Pradesh for the development of horticulture in the state. Critically analyze the current incentives, initiatives, and future prospects for bioenergy development in Uttar Pradesh. Outline the importance of meteorological centers, Lucknow, with reference to weather forecast in Uttar Pradesh. Present an account of the mission included in the state action plan on climate change in Uttar Pradesh. Explain the ecological importance of the wildlife sanctuaries in the Tarai region of Uttar Pradesh. Analyze the importance of minerals in industrial development of Bundelkhand region of Uttar Pradesh. What are the major objectives and targets group in innovation promotion programs of the Council of Science and Technology in Uttar Pradesh?